passive income, make money online, and any other scammy terms that these so-called make money online gurus will tell you in 2023 is sadly incredibly popular. That said, if anyone says that making money online is super easy in 2023, I want you to open your hands and give them a massive slap, tell them to shut up, because that's definitely not the case. Now, having tried to make money online myself over the past 4 years with both reasonable and realistic results, I thought I'd break down my top 5 signs that you're not going to make passive income online in 2023. So let's jump into what they are. So sign number 1 is just going to be the lack of persistence and consistency. Making money online unfortunately takes consistent passion, consistent effort for a sustained period of time, and it is most definitely is not a get rich quick scheme. And if anyone is trying to sell you a get rich quick scheme, trust me, it's not legit. You need to consistently provide valuable content to your audience, engage with your audience, and adapt when things aren't necessarily going to plan there. If then you've only been doing this for a couple of months and you're getting stressed out, welcome to the club, because this is the reality of being an online business owner. And if you give up after 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, you're literally the 99% of people who won't follow things through. So sign number 2 is just going to be having very unrealistic expectations. If you go into the make money online space thinking you're going to be earning $10,000, $5,000, or heck, even $100 or so after 1 or 2 months of being in this space, get that out of your mindset, because that is most definitely not going to happen. Remember then that success rarely happens overnight. And like we mentioned in the previous point, you have to be consistent, you have to get up every day, and you have to do a little bit of work every single day in order to get the results that you want. As such, try to ensure and create realistic, smart objectives for yourself. If this is the first time you're going about this, your first product or website might fail like mine did before you get that initial bout of success. So just keep that in mind. So sign number 3 is that you just don't have a niche or a target audience you're going after. To be successful in making money online, you really have to hone down and not target everyone, and instead target a particular niche, a particular subset of people that will be interested in what you're talking about, what you're selling. Now, without finding a niche, you're just going to be going to the widest possible denominator, which means that you're going to be focusing on general content, if indeed you're running a content business online, which most of you probably are. And instead, you really need to hone into who the people you're actually targeting are. This will allow you to resonate with them much more easily, allow you to understand the day-to-day problems that they have with this particular niche, and just basically allow you to best position yourself in the marketplace there. So sign number 4 is going to be over-reliance on a single source of income. Now, don't get me wrong, this is not me trying to tell you to take on 50 or 60 different side hustles all at the same time when you first get started. Instead, very much try to focus on one until that becomes successful, and then slowly grow things out. That said, if you do want to get to that £10,000 or dollar or whatever currency you use there per month mark, you really probably are going to need 2 to 3 different side hustles, maybe a mix of things like Amazon FBA, blogging, affiliate marketing, in order to kind of plug all the gaps and ensure that you're not just relying on one in order to be successful. And finally, finishing up on point number 5 is just going to be to ensure you invest in your learning and development. If then, gang, we literally just take a look at the past 12 months with the massive advent of AI, the amount of Google algorithm updates, and all the other uncertainty in the world, it's now more important than ever to really stay on top of all of the different developments that are taking place and ensure that your knowledge is up there with whatever side hustle you decide to do. For example, if you're setting up an Amazon FBA store, are you up to date with all the rules and regulations, all the costings that Amazon are taking, the role that different logistics and trade wars are going to impact your product being shipped into the country that you want? Alternatively, will the advent of AI like ChatGPT necessitate that blogging and some of these other aspects of side hustles online aren't no longer going to be viable? You really need to think about all these things and read so you're clued up about all of these different elements there. Failing to do so then will just ensure that you will earn absolutely nothing in the online space. So there you have it, blogging family. I'm literally rushing along because I have about 3% battery left. But other than that, if you are interested in more videos around, blogging, side hustles, personal development, sales, absolutely smash both the like and subscribe button, as they really genuinely do help out the channel. We're on the road to 600 subscribers, and fingers crossed we'll get there soon. But until the next one, I'll leave you to it, gang. All the best for now. Have a good one.